Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and I'm going to show you how we can get this animated galaxy wallpaper on this device. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store. We have to tap on the search bar and type Shadow Galaxy. We have to get this application from the maxalus.net. When you download this application you can just open it. Then you have to tap on the open and click right here to set a wallpaper. And after that you will get the question where you want to apply this wallpaper. You can choose the home screen and also home screen and the lock screen. So you have to select what you want, and after that you will get this animated wallpaper on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.